a Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, welcome back to A Texan Shaves. You're probably wondering why I'm already lathered. Well, that's because, once again, I forgot to push record. Haven't done a pass yet, so here we are. Today we're doing a shave with Atomic Pumpkin from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, kind of in celebration of its release this weekend. Let me get that turned right. And along with that, I do have the Star Jelly and the matching splash. Not doing this as a review or anything, just mainly because of the celebration, and I'm trying to build a bit of a catalog of some of these soaps I have. I'm trying to go through and make a video of almost everything I have now, and this is going to take an awful long time, and I'm starting with this one. Well, not starting with this one because I have quite a few videos already, but you know what I mean, guys. Going through and trying to get videos done on soaps I don't have videos for. So here we go. I'm using a beautiful razor I picked up off of Buy Sell Trade Group. This is the Ellsworth Titanium Dracont. Love this razor, so beautiful. And for the brush, I have the Moon Soaps. It is Moon of Indoor. And I thought it went pretty well for Atomic Pumpkin. And I think I'm dried up a little bit, so I'm going to add a little water to this and give it another little scrub-a-dub. Because I was like, why is it not? I realized, well, I had a message come through. That's how I realized, because whenever I'm recording, messages are muted. There we go. So, back at it. So, Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements Atomic Pumpkin. This isn't your basic seasonal pumpkin pie offering, my friends, but something far more sophisticated and alluring. West Indian Bay, Moro Blood Orange, Allspice, Light Cinnamon, Ginger, Nutmeg, and Elemi Resin. Trust me when I say this really is some festive masculine magic done right. 100% agree, Doug. 100% agree, Douglas. All right, we're only going to do 2 passes today because I had a very close shave yesterday in the blizzard battle. It was a blizzard battle I dropped yesterday, right? I believe so. Got a brush hair in there, I believe. So there's not a whole lot to shave. So one of the reasons I'm very excited about this drop is we are now getting into the Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements fall scents. I absolutely go crazy for their fall scents. But here's the deal. We have noticed a influx or a anomaly in the cube continuum, right? And what I mean by that, some of you know where I'm going with this, is there have been cube offerings with everything that's come out this year. And to have an Atomic Pumpkin cube, now they did a Blue Samhain, but Atomic Pumpkin I am ready for. Clown Fruit, we have the sticks, so I'm happy with that. The tubes, sorry. But the glow tubes. But Atomic Pumpkin, what's another one? Kiritamati cube. Oh man, there's just so many I want in the fall, so I'm excited about that. Now, I guess, contrary to popular belief, and I don't care what Douglas Smythe says, I am not responsible for the influx of the cubes, all right? I am not to blame, guys. I promise you, it's not my fault. Now, if you notice, in Douglas's posts, if you ever look at his hashtags, there's been a mysterious hashtag called hashtag Cult of Cube. I think the cult was successful this year in their summoning attempt and have opened a portal to, well, for lack of a better word, the Cubiverse. And that is causing the major influx in the continuum. But don't quote me on that. I promise it's not my fault. All right, enough of that. Oh, you know, it's 100 degrees here today. I know some of y'all are experiencing some nice cool weather and ready for the fall scents. I'm not a seasons guy when it comes to shaving. I just use what strikes me that day, but something about the fall fragrances from PAA, it still feels like a transition when you finally pull one of those out. And one of my ultimate favorites is ESP. But I will be picking up an EDP of Atomic Pumpkin. I am so mad I did not pick it up last year. But I will begin it this year, and there better be a cube. This better not be the one that doesn't get the cube. The only one that doesn't get the cube this year, right? Be so upset. Alright. Beautiful. Oh, it smells so good. You know, it's such a great blend, but this is one of those that you can literally pick out every note in there. But you can also get lost in just the combined symphony of it. But for some reason, it works. It works so well either way. I can sit there and I can pick out each one, but then I can also just enjoy it as a single note per se. Like I can say, hey, that's Atomic Pumpkin. But then I also go in and say, hey, there's the West Indian Bay, there's the Morrow Blood Orange. It's such a strange blend, but it's so well made. Maybe there's a word for that, I don't know. I'm still a noob when it comes to picking apart frags. But I do love this one. Probably one of my favorites. Well, it is. It is one of my favorites in the PAA Bay Rum family, I guess we would say. Alright, we're just doing a quick 2-pass today because I had a crazy close shave in the video yesterday. I think I already said that. I can't remember because I also started this video twice. But I'm going to take it easy on my neck and the rest of my face. So I'm going to get a rinse, come back up for the splash, my final thoughts. Be right back. Alright. Beautiful. Oh, man. I am ready for the fall. I wish I had some cool weather to enjoy this fragrance in, but you know, I'm enjoying it anyway. Oh, let's get myself situated here. All right, here we go. Actually, I'm gonna put a little bit of jelly on my neck first because it is still a little bit irritated from yesterday's shave. I believe, pretty sure this is, yeah, mentholated. Beautiful. I usually always pick the mentholated jelly, but every now and then I miss the choice and I get a little disappointed, but you know, it's still great stuff. All right. Now for the magic. I'm going everywhere. Oh geez, yes. So much more depth. Yep, I'm going all in, guys. There we go. Put one little bit in my hand. Ooh, definitely get that citrus from the Moro Blood Orange. A lot stronger on the top. Oh, such memories the first time I used this. Jeez. Flooding back, so good. So much more to it in the splash. You get everything. Oh, that is so good. All right, guys. That's it. Just a quick shave. Wanted to get this out in celebration of Atomic Pumpkin releasing this weekend. If you haven't tried Atomic Pumpkin, go for the sample. Get the aftershave sample and try it out. Get your nose on it, guys. This isn't your typical bay rum. This isn't a heavy pumpkin. The pumpkin is very light in this, guys. It's more of the spice side than actual pumpkin. So get your nose on it. And if cinnamon's bothering you, don't let it. Trust me. This isn't what you think. It is, but it isn't. If that makes any sense whatsoever, just get the sample and try it. You'll thank me. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on the Texan Shaves. Goodbye.
Find your peace in what and where you can.